is about cast rule. It is one of the most important topic in mathematics and most of the students are confused at it. So let's clear that out today. Let's take a coordinate plane as shown in the figure. The x-axis and y-axis divides the coordinate plane into 4 parts and these parts are called quadrant. So here you have first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Since this is a cast rule, so let us give that cast as C A S T, cast. Some students like to call it as ASTC rule also, where in the local language they remember it as after school to college. Anyway, let's start the journey. First of all, you should know in first quadrant what are the angles that fall here. Let us consider theta as an acute angle. So clearly theta lies in first quadrant, that is anything less than 90 degree lies in the first quadrant. For measuring the angle we should take OX as the baseline, so here it is 0 degree. Now direction we should take anti-clockwise, that is positive direction. So 90 degree minus theta, this angle lies in first quadrant. Similarly 90 degree plus theta, as you know from here to here it is 90 degree and plus means moving again forward. So 90 degree plus theta lies in second quadrant. So from here to here it is 180 degree and anything minus than 180 degree lies in the second quadrant. So 180 degree minus theta also lies in second quadrant. Similarly 180 degree plus theta and 270 degree minus theta lies in third quadrant and 270 degree plus theta followed by 360 degree minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Similarly 360 degree plus theta, where it lies? It lies in first quadrant. Let me give you example, like 45 degree lies in which quadrant? Since it is 90 degree minus theta means less than 90 degree, it lies in first quadrant. Can you say 130 degree lies in which quadrant? Of course, it lies in second quadrant. 200 degree, since it is more than 180 degree, just more than 180 degree, so it lies in third quadrant. 350 degree, it is just less than 360 degree. So 360 degree minus theta means lies in fourth quadrant. Can you say 730 degree lies in which quadrant? For that, directly we cannot say. So let's simplify it. First of all, we will divide it by 90. So 90 into how much plus how much is it? That you need to calculate. So 90 into 8 plus 10 degree it is. 90 into 8 plus 10 means 730 degree. So let's go 8 times. It is 8 times multiple of 90. 90 degree means one quadrant. So 8 times you should go. So let's start our journey from this OX. So from here to here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and then plus. Plus means backward or forward? Forward. So if we move one step forward, we reach to first quadrant. Hence 90 degree into 8 plus 10 degree, that is 730 degree lies in first quadrant. In this way we can say any given angle lies in which quadrant. Now let's understand what are odd multiples of 90 degree and even multiples of 90 degree. So if we multiply 90 degree by 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 means odd numbers, whatever value we get, these are called odd multiples of 90 degree. So 90 degree, 270 degree and so on. These angles are called odd multiples of 90 degree. Similarly, if we multiply 90 degree by even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, then we get 180 degree, 360 degree and so on. So these angles are called even multiples of 90 degree. So here as mentioned, 90 degree is odd multiple of 90, whereas 180 degree is even multiple of 90. Similarly 270 degree is odd multiple of 90 degree. That you must be cleared about. Now let's know the symbol of this CAST. A stands for all positive. So anything that lies in the first quadrant, everything will be positive. Here everything means the trigonometric ratios. Can you say how many trigonometric ratios are there? There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, sine reciprocal is cosec, cos reciprocal is sec, and tan reciprocal is cot. So anything that is any trigonometric ratios, if it lies in first quadrant, everything is positive. Now for second quadrant, any angle, if it lies in second quadrant, then S stands for sine and its reciprocal cosec. So in second quadrant, sine and cosec only positive, and remaining 4, that is cos, sec, tan, cot, will be negative. Alright. Similarly, any angle, if it lies in third quadrant, then in third quadrant there is T. So T stands for tan and cot. So in third quadrant, tan and cot is positive and remaining 4 will be negative. Similarly, any angle which lies in fourth quadrant, if it is cos and sec, then that is positive and remaining 4 will be negative. So can you say what will be the positivity or negativity of tan in fourth quadrant? Of course, tan in fourth quadrant is negative because in fourth quadrant cos and sec only positive. Similarly, cos in second quadrant, can you say? Yes, cos in second quadrant also is negative because in second quadrant sine and cosec only positive. So this you should remember. Now if odd multiple of 90-degree angle is there, then trigonometric ratios changes. What changes? If there is sine, then sine changes to cos. Similarly, if there is cos, then it changes to sine. If there is tan, then tan changes to cot, and vice versa, that is cot changes to tan. If there is sec, then sec changes to cosec, and if there is cosec, it changes to sec. So this you should remember. In which case, for odd multiple of 90 degree. But for even multiple of 90 degree, there is no change. That is, sine will be sine only, cos will be cos only, tan will be tan only, sec will be sec only, and cosec will be cosec only. Like that. So let's see the formula of sine 90 degree plus theta. As you know, 90 degree plus theta means into 1 plus theta. 1 means odd. So sine will change to cos, and this will be applicable in all cases. So sine will be changing to cos theta, cos will be changing to sine theta, tan will be changing to cot theta, cot will be changing to tan theta, sec will be changing to cosec theta, and cosec will be changing to sec theta. And now 90 degree plus theta means which quadrant? Can you say? Yes, it's second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec only positive and remaining will be negative. So this cos, you should see the question, not the answer. Okay? Most of the students, they see this answer and then they make mistakes. You should not do. You should see the question. So cos will be negative for 90 degree plus theta, tan will be negative, cot will be negative, sec will be negative, and remaining sine 90 degree plus theta, we get cos theta. So sine is here in the question, so this will be positive for second quadrant, and cosec 90 degree plus theta equals to sec theta. This cosec is here, so it will be positive. Now let's go to the other formulae. So 180 degree means it is even multiple of 90 degree, 90 into 2. So there is no any change of sine. That is, sine will be sine only, cos will be cos only, tan will be tan only, cot will be cot only, sec will be sec only, cosec will be cosec only. Now let's see 180 degree minus theta lies in which quadrant? Definitely it lies in second quadrant. So for second quadrant, sine and cosec only positive. So remaining 4 will be negative, like we have seen earlier also. Now let's see the formula for 180 degree plus theta. As you know, this also is a 90 degree multiple of 2, that is even, so no change. So sine 180 degree plus theta will be sine theta, down cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. And now 180 degree plus theta lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan. T means tan and cot only positive. So remaining 4 will be negative. So what is the value of cosec 180 degree plus theta? If somebody asks you, then you should say it is minus cosec theta. Why is it like that? I have told the reason to you. Okay, now let's see the formula of 270 degree minus theta. As you know, 270 degree means odd multiple of 90, that is 90 into 3. So there is change. Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot will change to tan, sec to cosec, and cosec will change to sec theta. Now 270 degree minus theta lies in third quadrant, so tan and cot only positive, so remaining will be negative. So this is the formula that you should remember. If you will understand this concept, then your remembering will be easy. Now let's see the formula for 270 degree plus theta. As you know, 270 degree means odd multiple, so sine will change to cos, cos will change to sine, tan will change to cot, cot will change to tan, sec will change to cosec, and cosec will change to sec. Now this is in fourth quadrant, so fourth quadrant cos and sec only positive, so remaining will be negative. I repeat, you should see the question. So this is the sign S, so sign is negative, cos will be positive, tan will be negative, cot will be negative, sec will be positive, and cosec will be negative. Alright, now let's go to the formula for 360 degree minus theta. As you know, 360 degree minus theta means even multiple of 90, so no change. That is, sin 360 degree minus theta will be sin theta, cos will be cos, tan will be tan, cot will be cot, sec will be sec, cosec will be cosec. Now it lies in fourth quadrant, so sin negative, cos positive, tan negative, cot negative, sec positive, and cosec negative. Now let's go to the next formula, that is formula of 90 degree minus theta. Since 90 degree is odd multiple of 90 degree, so sine will change to cos, cos will change to sine, tan will be changing to cot, cot will be changing to tan, sec will be changing to cosec, cosec will be changing to sec. Now 90 degree minus theta means first quadrant, so first quadrant everything positive. So this is the answer. Similarly, let's see the formula for 360 degree plus theta. It lies again in first quadrant, so everything positive, and 360 degree means even multiple of 90, that is 90 into 4, so no any change. So sin 360 degree plus theta means sin theta, this is cos theta, down one tan theta, then sec theta, cosec theta, and cot 360 degree plus theta was left, so its answer will be cot theta. So tell me theta, what I had told you, where it lies? It lies in first quadrant, as theta is acute angle. Now can you say where minus theta lies? Minus theta means minus denotes negative direction, so it lies in fourth quadrant, minus theta. So minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. So let's establish formula for this, the last formula. So since minus theta lies in fourth quadrant cos only will be positive, so cos minus theta will be cos theta, and sec only will be positive, so sec minus theta will be sec theta, and remaining will be negative, so sin minus theta will be minus sin theta, then we get minus tan theta, minus cot theta, and minus cosec theta. This also you should remember. For example, if you are given sin minus 30 degree, then its answer will be minus sin 30 degree. Okay. If it is cos minus 30 degree, then you should remember it is only cos 30 degree by using the formula. Okay. Let's see few questions. Find the value of sin 300 degree. So let's see. Can I write sin 300 means 90 into 3 plus 30 degree? Yes. Now 3 means odd number multiple of 90, so odd means sign will change to cos 30 degree. Now 90 degree into 3 plus theta means which quadrant? So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, plus means moving forward, so it lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, you know, CAST, that is cos and sec only positive, but here is sin, so this will be negative. So this is the answer, that is minus root 3 upon 2. So sin 300 degree answer is minus root 3 upon 2. Now let's see the next question. Find the value of tan 495 degree. So let's simplify it. Tan 90 into I guess 5. 90 into 5 plus 9 5s are 45. So 450 plus 45, I think. Yes. So it is 495. So 450 means 90 into 5 plus 45 degree. Okay. Now 45 90 into 5. 5 means odd multiple. Odd multiple means tan will change to cot 45 degree. Now which quadrant? Let's see. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. Plus means this side. So it is second quadrant sine and cosec only positive, but it is tan. So this will be negative. And its answer is minus 1. Okay. So like this, you can easily solve various questions which come under cast rule. So I hope you have understood this very important concept, that is cast rule. Thank you very much.